Hello, everyone. I am Dr. Rashay. If you return to my channel, thank you. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please remember to click the like and subscribe button. Today, I am going to get into some tips that you are going to need in order to pass nursing school. So, this is for anyone that's getting ready to begin nursing school or if you're already in nursing school. All right, let's go ahead and dive right on in. Okay, so the biggest thing is obviously having a set schedule. If you work night shift and you are going to nursing school and you're working full time, bless you. Been there, done that. This is where having a schedule is going to be key for your assignments, for your studying. Now, the other thing is when you're studying, a brief tip that I'm going to share with you is the first thing you want to do is take a look at the chapter that you're in, read what the objectives are, because I guarantee this is what the author is going to find that's important for you to know. And if the author finds this important, I guarantee this is going to be the content your instructor is going to find to be key content as well. Taking good notes when you're reading is especially important. One of the biggest things that you need to do and learn is going to be your medical terminology. Some programs out there does not have medical terminology as a part of their curriculum that you have to take. I highly suggest that you choose medical terminology as an elective. Not only do you need to have this information so that you can communicate professionally with other nurses, doctors, other coworkers, but you're going to need this for your NCLEX because believe it or not, there's going to be a lot of things that's going to be on the NCLEX that if you're able to break down that condition using your medical terminology, it's going to give you a really good chance in being able to answer that question correctly. Some other tips that I'm going to share is if you decide to work with other individuals and do group studies, make sure that the study sessions is just that. It is not talking about other things, um, complaining about instructors, complaining about nursing school. Make sure that your time is being utilized well. And if you're in a group and you find that you're really not doing a whole lot of studying, you need to ditch it. Personally, I tried study groups. It just did not work out well for me, so I did a lot of things on my own as solo. Another tip that I'm going to give you is before you start nursing school, if possible, or definitely while you're in nursing school, if you're starting to struggle, you need to reach out and talk to your instructors. A better approach is to have someone that's going to guide you as you're moving through the programs. You need to have someone that's going to be either a tutor or, in my case, a nurse coach. I call myself a coach because I'm not just a tutor. I am here to work with people one on one. I get down to figure out how they study best, and I will tailor the information that I deliver in the way that you learn best, whether that's a visual learner, an auditory learner, or even a tactile learner. So, again, getting a tutor early on or a coach early on is going to help you. I have a program that I offer for brand new nursing students so that even before they start the nursing program, we start diving in on essential skills such as studying. We talk about how to manage test anxiety, how to avoid pitfalls of the nursing program. Also, discuss what do you do when you have issues with an instructor? How do you handle those things? With my coaching program, I actually, whatever phase that the person is in, I start with where they're at, with what they know, and we build upon that. I also always am here for my students, and that includes well beyond passing NCLEX, passing nursing school. I think that it is imperative that the tutor coach that you find should be someone who is going to want to be a mentor to you. I, to this day, still have students that I have had in the past that are nurses reaching out to me, um, during different things. For whatever reason, I have people reaching out to me saying, you know what, I'm getting ready to switch to another unit. I've been on this floor for 5 years. I'm good to go, but I'm not sure how this is going to work out. Excuse me, I had to call. But I'm not sure that I feel well prepared to go into this new environment, this new unit, this new set of rules, new responsibilities. I will provide all the information that is needed to keep you professionally moving as a nurse. My goal is to help as many people as I can help in their nursing endeavors and also the medical endeavors as well, because I do other coaching besides just nursing. I do also paramedic coaching. I also do EMT coaching. So if you are interested, um, in discussing things with me, I'm going to provide a link from my website. All I ask for you to do is go to my website, click on message, put in the message YouTube so that I know that you found my information on here. Send me a message and I will reach out to you and we can meet one on one. I will discuss things with you through Zoom if it's going to be a virtual type session. And again, there's no fee for this at all. It's just to sit down and kind of talk to see how I can best assist you. Because again, right now in nursing, we need to have competent, well prepared nurses entering the field who are ready to hit the floor running. All right, so these are the tips that I have for you today. If you find any of this information valuable, please leave a comment down below. Um, Even if you just want to put in there a like, at least I know that the content that I am starting to produce and have been producing, you find beneficial. Because again, this channel has nothing to do with me. I'm already a nurse. I went through school. I spent 15 years in school, and I'm a crispy critter when it comes to education right now for myself. But that being said, I love to teach, and I want to help as many people as possible. All right. I hope you like this video. More videos to come. And also, I'm getting ready to create a podcast. I've been having some technical issues with that. But that being said, I will be having a podcast starting very soon. Also, I put questions and things on my YouTube post. So if you haven't went to the post of my section, please do so. Again, I put in various type of questions on there for NCLEX and things of that nature. I'm starting to upload information on other videos that I am doing so that I have a link. If there's a question, like the last one I had discussed on my YouTube video, was how to do calculations and conversions from pounds to kilograms, and of course, figure out the dosage for that. I will actually provide a link into those sets of questions so that if you miss it or you're not sure how to fully do it, you can just click on that link in the post and it will take you to the appropriate video discussing whatever topic it is, whether it's NCLEX priority or what have you. So, happy studying. And I want to thank every single one of you for wanting to become a nurse. All right, stay tuned, more videos to come. I hope you have a great day.